SatMom App and your personal portal. I'm Colina, founder of SatMom, and your guide through the portal. So once you've logged in and you've gone to your portal, in the bottom right of the navigation, you will always see your user ID at the top and your photo right beneath it. So inside this portal screen, you have access to all of the portal features, the daily logs, charts, journal entry, journal view insert, your personal notes, and our very accessible and powerful portal tools. Thank you so much for being here. On the top of each portal screen, you'll see a question mark inside of a circle, and you can find more instructions on how to use that feature inside that point right there. On the left navigation at the top, you can see the exclamation point that says special messages, and from there you can always access SatMom Social, our private sacred social space that's built to support the journey that we work with on the SatMom app. Thank you so much for being here.